This 2027 Leisure Travel Wonder 24RL is a Class B Plus RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new leisure travel is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2. The floor plan layout of this Class B Plus RV features Murphy bed. This 2027 Leisure Travel Wonder 24RL is built on a Ford Transit dual rear-wheel chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.